Welcome to the TNM video series. This video will describe how to install FHWA's Automated Consistency Test Suite. To install the ACTS, navigate to the TNM Consistency Test Suite webpage to download the setup file. Once the file has downloaded, click the zip file, select Extract All, and specify the desired destination directory. Double-click the setup file in the extracted folder to open the installation wizard. View the Ready to Install screen and then click Install. When installation is complete, check the box to launch the ACTS or uncheck the box to return to the desktop, then click Finish. Once the ACTS has been installed, it can be manually launched using the Windows Startup menu. For more information on the ACTS, visit the TNM Consistency Test Suite website.